Hello, my name is Bianca, and today I'm going to show you how we made our Christmas tree. This tree is inspired by the vintage aluminum Christmas trees. They were pretty popular, I believe, in the 50s, 60s. We saw one that was roughly about $400, but we thought we could probably make one. So in a few seconds, you'll be able to see how we created our own Christmas tree. If this is content that you do enjoy, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to see more videos like this one. We needed sturdy branches for our tree, especially if we thought of putting ornaments. So we ended up grabbing these stake flags because they were the thickest ones we could find that didn't seem too flimsy. We're going to just go ahead and start removing all of these little flags. When we saw an original aluminum tree, we noticed that its trunk was made out of wood, so we grabbed a wooden shovel handle for our tree trunk. I grabbed my branches and trunk and began spray painting them silver with this spray paint. Honestly though, you could probably hold off on painting the trunk. While all of that dried, I worked on the tinsel. So I measured the tinsel on the branch and cut about an inch shorter than the entire branch. We used about 100 feet of garland. And tip, make sure to have enough of the same kind of garland. I had to look around for extra garland because the store in our neighborhood didn't have enough. I did buy another kind, but I could tell that the silver wasn't the same. So again, tip, make sure that you have enough garland. I also used wire cutters to cut the garland because it does have a wire down the center. So don't use your scissors because there's a chance that they can get damaged. We took the tree making party inside. I began working on making the branches. To attach the tinsel to the branch, I poured a strip of hot glue down the center of the tinsel. Then placed the branch in the center and started pinching some sections. I liked how pinching made it look more natural. As natural as a fake tree can look, I guess. While I was making all of the branches, my helper was working on cutting the remaining garland, and Teddy was supervising him. Of course. Everyone's helping with our tree. Hey, Bubba's! Once I was done making the branches, I began marking our tree trunk from the top down with 3-inch spaces. This is where we are going to put our branches. My helper made a temporary tree stand so we can work on it before we decided on an actual stand. And this is where the power tools come in. My helper used a 3/32 drill bit, I think that's what it's called, to make the holes on our trunk. But let me tell you, we lost a few drill bits to this trunk.
What? Drill bit broke.
And it's in there? Ah. No. I don't have an exact angle to give you that we use. We literally just eyeballed everything until we liked how it looked. It was a little trial and error. No, that's too... You can? Take two.
Yep.
That's it. There we go. Yay! Looks like a hand going up.
We learn as we go around here.
Round here. I don't know how the rest of that song goes. Once we knew what we liked, we kept doing that. Well, he did. I'm gonna put one too. my goodness. Wow. Get pretty.
Looking pretty good.
I was doing the important stuff, obviously. I did end up drilling one hole though, but it was just one. I did one.
Alright, I assume I'll get back. Okay.
We sprayed the tree trunk one more time to cover those holes. This is a quick sketch of what we did to our trunk. We liked how it looked, but thought it could be a little fuller, so we added these extra holes. Once we finished our tree, we decided on a rotating tree stand, and I painted it silver to match the tree. The only problem was that our trunk didn't fit in the stand, so my helper sanded the bottom down until it fit. We then painted the trunk for the last time. Do you see why I said that you can wait to paint it until the very end? The only thing that's left is to put it all together for the reveal. And here it is. I am so happy with how it turned out. It's rotating and it looks so pretty. I think it looks pretty identical to the original aluminum trees, and it wasn't as expensive as the one that we saw at that estate sale. And speaking of cost, I figure I could do a little rundown of what we did spend on making our tree. I have my little copper top ink notebook here supporting my friend. So for the shovel handle, we spent $16. The flag stakes were $10. The 11 bundles of garland, that was a total of $22. And the most expensive thing was our rotating stand, which was about $45. So in total, it cost us $93 to make. Of course, I already have the glue gun and the glue sticks. My husband did have the drill and the drill bits that we lost, you know, just like 2 or 3 of them, but I think it was worth it. These ornaments we've had since 2012. I think it was like our first Christmas. I got a few of them from Target and some other ones from the dollar store that we just decorated. These were from the dollar store and these were from Target. I think my favorite part is that we did it as a family. Usually we make like an ornament every year, but this year we are able to say that we made a full tree. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, what you think of this tree and what color you're gonna make it, because we made a silver one, but you can make this in any color and for any holiday. Can you picture a really cool black one for Halloween? Yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to see more videos like this one. If you make a tree like this using my tutorial, please make sure to share it with me. You can tag me on Instagram or on TikTok. I always love seeing your makes. I do have a Ko-fi account if you'd like to provide me a tip. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.